once again, I'm very, very sorry if I have in any way offended you or made you feel some type of way about yourself. It's all about making peace today, and my name is Laycon, and I'm trying to make peace with you and trying to reconnect with you. Thank you very much.
Laycon finally makes peace with Erica during Lipton Task. Big Brother Naija Season 5 Lockdown Housemate Laycon has made peace with his colleague and ex-housemate Erica. Laycon sent out the apology statement on Wednesday afternoon during Lipton Ice Tea Task in Big Brother Naija house. Biggie gave the 5 remaining housemates Neo V, Laycon, Nengi and Dorothy a task courtesy of Lipton Ice Tea. Each housemate was mandated to find someone who have been offended in the past and try to make peace with the person. And while making his own presentation, Laycon poured out his heart, asking that the people he has offended and didn't mention their names should forgive him so they can find a way to reconnect.
Hi. Truth is, at the back of my mind, I can't really think of one particular person that I have a lost connection with. But I know that there are people who feel some type of way about me right now, and in my head, I feel like me and them may be cool, but they don't think about me the same way I think about them. And since it's all about making peace with ourselves, I feel like if I've offended you in any way, I'm very, very sorry.
Recall that it went down in history of Big Brother Naija Season 5 that Erica was disqualified from the show after consistently infringing in house rule. And following her disqualification, Erica had a fallout with Laycon after one Saturday night party where she was heard cursing, threatening and accusing him of being too manipulative. So that's why when Laycon gave that speech yesterday, it was very direct and obvious that he sent out that apology to Erica, and we hope Erica sees Laycon for what he is now and they can become friends once again.
And from the bottom of my heart, I would like for you to reach out to me. And if you feel like I've offended you, I would like for you to reach out to me and let's reconnect. I would like for us to start our friendship back from the start, and I would like for us to get off to good relationship with one another. And once again, I'm very, very sorry.
Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon. Stay blessed and stay safe.